Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I am back in LA. Hello everyone, I am back in LA. I literally was in Calgary for 3 days and now I'm back. We are off to eat. We're having Japanese food, not Korean food tonight, which I'm actually excited about. We checked out Manhattan Beach and that was really cool. Last trip, or like last weekend, we went to Santa Monica, so it was kind of nice to see the difference. But yeah, getting hungry, so I will see you at dinner. Good morning everyone. I went to Jamo getting my matcha latte fix. Verdict, low-key think Stagger is like a tad bit better. Tad bit. We stopped at Little Tokyo for some ramen. Felt like a really hearty bowl of noodles today. So here I just got the classic ramen and added an extra egg because I love ramen eggs so much. This was perfect and so delicious. Now we are back at my favorite area of LA, the Arts District, and I just love walking around the streets and seeing all the cool buildings, coffee shops, boutique stores, and you even come across hidden gems where there's art exhibitions. So here we stumbled upon this free art exhibition, and it's just so cool to see how the artists express themselves through different mediums. We later went to the Balloon Museum, and this art exhibition felt like such a time capsule into our own childhood. I'm grabbing matcha latte from my favorite place, which is Stagger. So yeah, I'm gonna have some of this, chill out for a bit because we did a lot today.
And your mind's clear. Take a breath. Welcome to the Ruby experience.
I am forever in awe that I had the opportunity to be so close to Jenny for this concert. This Ruby album holds such a special place in my heart because it truly resonates with the transformations I've seen in my own life over the past couple years. The album expresses emotions of woman empowerment, confidence, not giving an about what other people think, and the more vulnerable and emotional aspects of life. There are so many moments when I listen to this song and it brings so many emotions. There's emotions of happiness, of sadness, and I think this song is truly one of the masterpieces in her new album.
Because it has like biscotti in it.
We're having Korean barbecue. This is redemption for the Korean barbecue we had last weekend, which wasn't very good. We had a lot of banchan and the meat was so good. I really enjoyed the fact that there was thicker cuts of meat. It was just very flavorful on its own. But I truly enjoy the fact that at most Korean barbecue places in LA, if not all, they actually cook the meat for you. So it's cooked perfectly, it's not undercooked, overcooked, and you can just really enjoy the food versus having to cook the meat yourself. Good morning. It is my final day in LA. We are having salungtang.
To be honest, I think it's big flat. Shadows come down. Life is just more fun with them. Mark. Yeah, we got everybody. Yay.